The health benefits of Panla fish, a nutritional breakdown. Panla is a very popular fish in Nigeria. There are many species of Panla, but the white Panla is the most common. Its science name is mercury. In English, Panla is called the European Hake fish. It also has other names like herring hake and Cape Hake. Panla fish is tasty and good for your body. It is often used in West African cooking, especially in Nigeria and Ghana. It makes food taste better and helps you stay healthy. In this video, we will learn about the good things in Panla fish and how it can help you live a healthier life, and also how to prepare it. But first, let's take a look at how a Panla fish looks like. There are many species of Panla fish, but you can know this kind by how it looks. It has a long body that is brown or gray. The body is a little thick and about 12 to 16 inches long. If you look at the fish's mouth, it's pointy and has sharp teeth. The head of the Panla fish is very big. It is about 1/3 of the fish's body. Some people even laugh when they hear how big the head is. One Panla fish can weigh from 0.45 to 3.63 kg, which is about 8 pounds. If you eat 100 grams of Panla fish, you get about 182 calories and 25.4 grams of protein. That means it gives your body good energy and helps your muscles grow. Nutritional value of Panla fish. 1. Full of good protein. Panla fish has a lot of good protein. Protein helps build and fix parts of your body like muscles, skins, and bones. If you want to grow strong muscles or eat more protein, Panla fish is a smart choice. It's also good for people who want to eat healthy and not too much fat. 2. It has healthy fats known as omega-3. Panla fish also has healthy fats called omega-3. These fats are good for your health and heart. They help stop swelling inside the body, lower bad fats in your blood, and keep your heart strong. Eating Panla fish often can help you stay healthy and protect your heart. 3. Vitamins and minerals. In addition to protein and omega-3 fatty acids, Panla fish provides various essential vitamins and minerals. It's a good source of vitamin B12, which is vital for nerve function and the formation of red blood cells. Panla fish also contains selenium, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the body from oxidative stress and supports a healthy immune system. 4. Low in calories and saturated fat. For those watching their calorie intake or trying to manage their weight, Panla fish offers a nutritious and low-calorie option. It's relatively low in saturated fat, making it a heart-healthy choice compared to some other meats. 5. Bone health and minerals. Panla fish contains minerals such as phosphorus and calcium, which are essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones. These minerals are not only important for bone structure, but also play a role in various bodily functions, including muscle contraction and nerve transmission. 8. Boosting brain health. The omega-3 fatty acids found in Panla fish also have a positive impact on brain health. DHA in particular is a major structural component of brain tissue and supports cognitive function. Regular consumption of Panla fish may help maintain brain health and potentially reduce the risk of cognitive decline as one ages. 7. Aiding in skin health. The nutrients in Panla fish, including omega-3 fatty acids and selenium, contribute to healthy skin. Omega-3s help maintain skin moisture and elasticity, while selenium acts as an antioxidant that protects the skin from free radical damage. Including Panla fish in your diet can promote a radiant and healthy complexion. The side effects of Panla fish as well as other fishes. Be careful of mercury in Panla fish. Panla fish is healthy, but we should be careful about something called mercury. Mercury is a metal that can sometimes be found in fishes. Eating too much mercury is not good, especially for pregnant women and little children. To stay safe, it's best not to eat too much Panla fish. Try to eat it in moderation. I mean, not every day. Also, smaller and younger fish usually have less mercury, so they are safer to eat. Buying. Where can I get Panla fish? Panla fish are available year-round, especially from March till July. Look for bright, firm fish with savory skin, pink gills, and clear eyes. The fish has few bones, and these are easy to remove. Avoid buying fillets as they tend to disintegrate during cooking. At home, store fish and fillets in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 days. For extended use, scale and gut whole before storing in deep freezer. Preparation method. There are several ways in which Panla fish can be prepared. You can cook it, boil, fry, grill, clutch, smoke, steam, or either sushi the fish. All of these are global methods for preparing a Panla fish. You can opt for one of these methods that suits you best. Wrapping it up. Panla fish is not only tasty but also very good for your health. It has strong protein, healthy fats, that is omega-3, vitamins and minerals that help your heart, brain, skin and body stay healthy. Just remember not to eat too much so you stay safe from mercury. So the next time you eat Panla fish, be happy. You are not just enjoying the yummy taste, you are also giving your body something good. And that's it, lovelies. With that, we've come to the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it like I did. Till I come your way next time, it's goodbye from Niger Fruits. See you soon.